today I wanted to speak about feuding, quarrels, grudges, mostly grudges. Have you ever noticed that it is possible for you to have a problem with someone because your friend has a problem with them and you do not even know where that thing started? Yeah, and sometimes grudges are passed on from parents to children, and children just run and keep loyal to a grudge that their parents have with some other people's parents, and it's really messed up. Here's the thing: God does not hold our transgressions against us. He doesn't hold grudges. He forgives and then he forgets. There's a saying that goes, I can forgive but I will never forget. No, here is the thing, my dear child. Let it go. Forget about it. Remembering it is not helping you in any way. It is not adding any value to your life. So why am I telling you this? For no apparent reason.